Have you ever stopped to think that the secret to a long and healthy life could be hidden somewhere you least expect? No, it's not a secret kept in some exotic place or a magic formula in a distant laboratory. In fact, it's inside you, more precisely in your intestine. Yes, that's right. The intestinal microbiota, this complex world of trillions of microorganisms that inhabit our intestine, has a profound impact on our health and the way we age. Imagine being able to strengthen your immune system, prevent neurodegenerative diseases, and even delay the signs of aging, all by simply taking care of your intestine. Stay with me in this video, because today I'm going to reveal how maintaining a healthy microbiota could be the key to living longer and better. Get ready to discover information that could transform your life. The intestinal microbiota is a true universe within us, made up of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes that live in our digestive tract. But don't be fooled, not all bacteria are bad. In fact, most of these bacteria play a vital role in our health. Think of them as little workers that help keep our bodies running efficiently. They aid in the digestion of food, produce essential vitamins like vitamin K and some B vitamins, and even help fight off harmful invaders, keeping our gut in balance. Each person has a unique microbiota composition, influenced by genetics, diet, environment, and the use of medications such as antibiotics. This diversity is crucial, because the more varied the microbiota, the stronger and more resilient our immune system is. A healthy microbiota is like a well-balanced forest, full of life and diversity, where each species plays an important role in keeping the ecosystem in balance. When this balance is disturbed, due to factors such as poor diet, stress, or excessive use of antibiotics, we can face a series of health problems, from chronic inflammation to autoimmune and metabolic diseases. Therefore, taking care of our microbiota is not just a matter of digestion, but a true pillar for our health and longevity. The relationship between the gut microbiota and longevity has been increasingly studied by science, revealing surprising insights into how the health of our gut can directly impact our lifespan and quality of life. The gut microbiota plays a crucial role in regulating inflammatory processes and strengthening the immune system, two factors directly linked to healthy aging. But how exactly can these microorganisms influence our longevity? First, a healthy microbiota helps maintain a state of controlled inflammation in our body. Chronic inflammation is one of the main factors that accelerate aging and the development of age-related diseases, such as cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. Studies show that people with a diverse and balanced gut microbiota tend to have lower levels of systemic inflammation, which can contribute to a longer and healthier life. Conversely, an imbalance in the microbiota, known as dysbiosis, can lead to increased intestinal permeability, the famous leaky gut, allowing toxins and harmful bacteria to enter the bloodstream, triggering a chronic inflammatory response. In addition, the gut microbiota is also involved in the production of beneficial metabolites, such as short-chain fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to strengthen the intestinal barrier. These metabolites not only help protect the gut, but also play a role in overall metabolic health, influencing insulin sensitivity, appetite regulation, and even lipid metabolism. All of these factors are essential for preventing metabolic diseases that can shorten life. Another fascinating point is the connection between the gut microbiota and mental health, often referred to as the gut-brain axis. Studies indicate that a healthy microbiota can contribute to the production of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, which affect mood, sleep, and cognition. Since mental health is a vital component of healthy aging, maintaining a balanced microbiota may be key to not only living longer, but living better, with an active and resilient mind. Research on centenarians, people who live to be over 100, has revealed that they often have a unique composition of gut microbiota, rich in species that promote longevity. This suggests that the choices we make throughout life, such as our diet and lifestyle, that affect our gut health, can have a significant impact on how long we live and how we live those years. So by taking care of your microbiota, you're not just taking care of your gut, you're investing in your long-term health and the possibility of a longer, fuller life. The gut microbiota plays a key role in regulating and strengthening our immune system, acting as a true line of defense against disease and infection. Approximately 70% of the human immune system is located in the gut, where trillions of microorganisms work together with immune cells to maintain the balance and health of our body. This collaboration is essential to protect us from external pathogens, such as harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi, and helps prevent excessive inflammatory reactions that can lead to autoimmune diseases and other chronic inflammatory conditions. A healthy gut microbiota helps train the immune system from an early age. During the first years of life, microorganisms present in the intestine help educate the immune system about what is harmful and what is benign, laying the foundation for the immune response throughout life. Beneficial microorganisms, such as lactobacilli and bifidobacteria, compete with pathogenic microorganisms for resources and space in the intestine, preventing these pathogens from proliferating and causing infections. In addition, these good bacteria produce antimicrobial substances that help neutralize harmful microorganisms, creating a safer environment within the intestine. Communication between the intestinal microbiota and the immune system is also carried out through signaling molecules, such as short-chain fatty acids, which are produced by the fermentation of dietary fiber by intestinal bacteria. These fatty acids have an anti-inflammatory role, helping to strengthen the intestinal barrier and prevent harmful bacteria and toxins from entering the bloodstream. When this intestinal barrier is compromised, a condition known as leaky gut can occur, where toxins and undigested food particles can escape into the circulation, triggering an inflammatory response throughout the body. This state of chronic inflammation is associated with a number of diseases, including rheumatoid arthritis, type 1 diabetes, and even cardiovascular disease. An imbalance in the gut microbiota, or dysbiosis, can weaken the immune system, making the body more susceptible to infections, allergies, and autoimmune diseases. For example, when there is an excess of pathogenic bacteria or a lack of beneficial bacteria, the immune system can overreact to normal stimuli, leading to conditions such as inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. In addition, dysbiosis has been linked to an increase in the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which can cause inflammation throughout the body and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. Therefore, maintaining a balanced gut microbiota is essential for a robust and efficient immune system. A diet rich in fiber, fermented foods, and probiotics can help promote the growth of beneficial bacteria, while judicious use of antibiotics and stress reduction are also important to preserve this delicate microbial community. By taking care of your gut microbiota, you're not only promoting digestive health, but also strengthening one of your body's most important lines of defense against disease and aging. The connection between gut microbiota and brain health, known as the gut-brain axis, is one of the most fascinating discoveries in modern science. Recent studies suggest that a healthy gut microbiota may play a significant role in preventing neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and multiple sclerosis. But how can these tiny bacteria living in our gut affect our brains and potentially prevent these diseases? It all starts with constant communication between the gut and the brain through a complex network of nerves, hormones, and immune signals. The gut microbiota produces a variety of metabolites, such as short-chain fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. These compounds are able to cross the blood-brain barrier, protecting the brain from inflammation and cellular damage. In addition, some gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters such as serotonin and GABA, which are essential for healthy brain function and can influence mood, sleep, and cognition. When there is an imbalance in the gut microbiota, or dysbiosis, this communication between the gut and the brain can be disrupted, leading to increased systemic inflammation and neuroinflammation. This chronic inflammation in the brain is a significant risk factor for the development of neurodegenerative diseases. For example, studies indicate that people with Alzheimer's often have an altered gut microbial composition, with fewer beneficial bacteria and an increase in pro-inflammatory bacteria. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiota can be a powerful strategy for protecting the brain and preventing cognitive decline. This can be done through a balanced diet rich in fiber and fermented foods, which promote the growth of beneficial bacteria, as well as reducing the consumption of ultra-processed foods and unnecessary use of antibiotics. By taking care of your gut health, you are, in a way, taking care of your brain health, promoting not only physical longevity, but also mental longevity, so that you can live a long, active, and full life. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiota is essential for overall health and longevity, but you may be wondering, how can you do this effectively? The good news is that there are several simple and practical strategies that you can adopt in your daily life to nourish and balance this complex community of microorganisms. First, diet plays a key role. A diet rich in fiber is one of the main factors in promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the intestine. Foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds are great sources of fiber that feeds the good bacteria and promotes the production of short-chain fatty acids, which are important for intestinal health. In addition, including fermented foods such as plain yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi and kombucha can provide natural probiotics, which are live bacteria that help balance the microbiota and improve digestion. Another important tip is to reduce the consumption of ultra-processed foods and foods rich in refined sugars. Not only do these foods offer little nutritional value, but they can also promote the growth of harmful bacteria and cause inflammation in the gut. Instead, opt for a more natural, balanced diet that will not only benefit your gut, but your overall health as well. In addition to diet, the responsible use of antibiotics is crucial. Although antibiotics are necessary to treat bacterial infections, overuse can destroy both the bad and good bacteria, leading to an imbalance in the microbiota. Whenever possible, avoid unnecessary use of antibiotics and, when necessary, always follow your doctor's advice. Lifestyle also has a major impact on the health of the microbiota. Regular exercise helps to increase bacterial diversity, which is a sign of a healthy and resilient microbiota. In addition, stress management is essential, as chronic stress can alter the composition of the microbiota and weaken the intestinal barrier, increasing inflammation in the body. Finally, adequate hydration is essential for intestinal health. Water helps maintain fluid balance in the intestine, facilitating digestion and nutrient absorption. By adopting these practices in your daily life, you will not only be taking care of your intestinal microbiota, but also promoting better overall health and a longer, fuller life. The health of your gut microbiota could be the key to a longer, healthier, happier life. Now that you understand the importance of these tiny microorganisms, it's time to take action. Start including more fiber and fermented foods in your diet, reduce your consumption of ultra-processed foods, and take good care of your gut. Remember, a healthy gut is the first step to a strong body, a clear mind, and a life full of vitality. So, how about starting today? If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this knowledge with those you love. Let's go together towards a healthier, longer life.